So folks, in this video, I'm going to talk about GME. What the hell is going on with GME? GME is keep on flushing down, folks. I think, is it time to sell? It hit to the lows of $23.98. That is pretty crazy, right? Absolutely, it should be. So, first let me go to the daily chart and see what the hell is going on with GME, and are we on the right path, or we are sinking somewhere and you don't realize that and you just get panicked. What should I do? A lot of folks I know out there, they are stuck in their GME positions and they don't know what to do with GME. Some of them that they are trying to trade the stock, they are thinking, how can I get rid of the stock? And some of them are trying to add more positions, and some of them are just enjoying the ride and they're waiting for the massive squeeze. But folks, the case depends from person to person because of the matter of the money, and also it all depends, was that all of your cash which you're having, or it was just a bit from your savings or from whatever generated money you're having. So coming back to the charts right here, on daily chart the stock is trading right now on just above $25, right? Is that a good sign or a bad sign? Well folks, that's kind of very bad sign. I cannot tell, wow, it's really good, but also I have a very good news for you. What's the good news? The good news is here. As I told you, shoulder, sorry. This is kind of W pattern, what we are trying to form on daily chart. So for that, we need little U shape, as you see here, U shape, and the let me just draw here. I'm just drawing something very rough for you to understand, so we can have another squeeze here, right? So this is what we are looking for. So we need to consolidate here. So if we get out of the consolidation, what we will gonna do? So the first thing, it already broke that support, that what we are looking for, $26.66. We broke that support. So we are below that support. That's kind of a bad sign, but again, we are still literally on a safe side, also on a safe side. Well folks, focus one thing on a daily chart. If you see the volume right here down, we are less than 25 million shares sold, right? That's pretty amazing. And that's a good news. So the selling volume isn't really on the hand. That means this stock is being shorted more and more and more. The guys who are holding holding the stock on a long position, they didn't close their position. If they would have closed the position, of course, the stock would have flushed down more and more. So coming back to 4-hour chart. On 4-hour chart, we got something right here, and this is something really bad on a 4-hour chart, that we just got out of this very tight consolidation frames. $31.81 and $26.08. We just broke below this, and we are trying to just get a support of $22.86. Well, is that really worth it, or should I add more shares or not? You might be asking to yourself, right? Well folks, always I tell you, do not gamble in the stock market. Never ever gamble in the stock market. Always have a plan B, especially in the stock market. I'm not talking about other business. In the stock market, always have the plan B, because never put all your money in one stock and just try to become rich. Try to have a backup plan, so you can swing trade, you can day trade, you can go some kind of beautiful swing trades or earnings, whatever, and you can make all this losses up, and that this GME loss or any other stock will not affect you so heavily. Well folks, I know GME will squeeze, but it might take again a little time. It's not so easy for a stock just to get squeezed just overnight. It's not. It might take a little time, but folks, patience is the key here. If you want to know more, you can join the Discord down in the link below in the Patreon, and you have an amazing benefits there. You can learn whatever you want. day trade, swing trades, long terms, and you can see my trades very clear what I'm trading long, short every single day, and maybe you can trade side by side with me. We are trying to form a beautiful community right there, and you can join and make it more beautiful. So folks, it's just cost less than $20. Again, I'm just letting you know. But anyways, you can click the link in the description and you can just have a look. Maybe you can join and you can benefit to yourself. You might be thinking, oh, this guy is kind of selling. This is not selling, folks. I'm trying to help you out here so you can get a nice help with the community we are trying to form, and you can take advantage. You can make some profits for yourself. You're not going to give that profit to me. That is for you, folks. You not to lose that crazy money, folks. So $22.86, we are trying to form the support here, and well, is that a good or bad sign? It's kind of a bad sign on a 4-hour chart, but again, as I told you here, look, let me just zoom in. This trending line upwards right here, that if we break this, we will be above $31.81. I told you last week, and now we are going on a downtrend. We are going on a downtrend. This is the downtrend that we can continue. Can tomorrow be a bad day for GME? Is highly possible. It can be a bad day for GME. Can go down to $22.86. And will it flush down more and more? Will it flush down to $18? Folks, that's highly possible. That can be a massive drop and also a flush back. But again, we will go out of that head and shoulder pattern. We will absolutely go outside of head and shoulder pattern. But again, if it touches down to $20.86 and if the stock really stays there, I will give you a massive update. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bells, and just don't listen just to GME. We have also more stocks. We have a lot of stocks to make money. You just don't make money only with GME. You make money with any other stock only if you know how to trade. Again, you can join the Patreon and see the trades and you can take the advantage. So if I go to 5 minutes chart today, let me just minimize. You see we got a heavy selling volume right here, right? These are short position build in the stock, in the company, and these green candles, what you see right here, though some of the short position got closed and we got a small little squeeze curl back up, and we are trying to consolidate right here, or we might go in this kind of area too. So that can really flush down the stock more. But my concern is on a daily chart, we are sitting on a very good page. On a daily chart, we are sitting on a very good page. So, but on a 4-hour chart, we are not in a good condition. We are on a 4-hour chart, we are not in a good condition. But folks, the main thing is on daily chart, we are going good, nothing to worry about. And this is, I'm telling to myself, you guys don't have to follow me. I'm just sharing my idea, my thought. Of course, as you know, I'm holding massive amount of shares in this company. Of course, because we want a massive squeeze, right? That's what we're looking for. And if this goes right, $22.86, if it doesn't really flushes down, then we can bounce back to $31.87. Well, not in one single day, but again, it might take few 4-hour candles in order to curl back on the upside, right? But the most important thing, if you notice, on the volume down here, you will notice there is less selling volume. So less selling volume means these hedge funds, institutions, they're trying to short this stock much as possible. Is this a dying stock? No, this is not a dying stock, because this meme stock will do something really crazy. This meme stock will literally blow up your account on a positive side, not on a negative side, on a positive side I'm talking about. Folks, forward this video to much folks as possible, because I know they are getting panicked. I know they are getting freaked out when the stock is really flushing down, and give them the good news, folks, first of all. And thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and hit that like button so other folks can also watch this video as much as possible, because I want this other folks to hear this kind of news and get prepared in their mind, not just to get panicked and just sell and just get the hell out of here, right? And just take the losses. Folks, in the end, you just listen to whom you want, you just take the action what you want and how you desire. Okay, this video is only for the educational purpose. I'm only sharing my idea with you and no other intention. If you want to know more, just join the Discord and you can see my trades very clear, what I'm trading, when I'm trading, am I going long, am I going short, what stock, earnings or not, how am I taking benefit of the stock market. And thank you so much for this. See you in the next video.